Hello and welcome to our look at the upcoming January 16th Friday session. In front of you I have the economic calendar as usual, and a couple things to pay attention to coming out of America. We have the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, year-over-year number coming out, which of course is a high-level announcement. It should affect the U.S. dollar and the stock markets in America in general. Then you have the CPI ex food and energy, which is a little bit more stable number, which of course will be paid attention as well. We have Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index that can move the market. Probably won't be a huge deal this time, but it does have an effect. That generally sticks to the stock markets in the United States as well. So a very U.S.-centric day. With that being said, you can see that the S&P 500 continues to slam around just above the 2,000 level, and with that, it's still very volatile. So a better number should drive this market higher. We're basically now buying calls on short-term pullbacks for short-term gains. We're not looking for big moves. We think that we will continue to consolidate in this area in the near term, that is. You can see that the euro dollar finally broke down, and this was actually predicated mainly upon concerns out of Switzerland and lifting the peg to the Swiss franc from the euro. So it's a lot of different things going on at one time, but at the end of the day we have broken down, and this is a very bad sign. At this point in time, buying puts on short-term rallies will more than likely be the way to go. And you can see that the silver market is still trying to grind its way higher. 1750 needs to be cleared, though, really, before it breaks free. Once it does, we could get quite a bit of distance going. Right now, it'll come down to whether or not we can break above that barrier. Going to be difficult to trade. Would probably step away from it until we get above 1750, though. That being the case, we have looked at the upcoming Friday, January 16th trading session.